Verisurf 2025 adds power to reverse engineering workflows through the addition of roll and unroll tools for clouds and meshes. When a part with an axis of symmetry is scanned, the resulting cloud or mesh object can be unrolled by specifying the radius or diameter and the axis around which the scan is rotated. The axial profile does not need to be constant, so scans with repeating and unique patterns can be unrolled. Unrolling a scan facilitates part inspection, where the nominal values are provided in terms of a 2D design drawing, such as parts that are cut from a flat pattern and then rolled into their final form. This includes parts formed from sheet metal and composites, and even some wire harnesses, which are designed flat and then rolled into shape. The same tool can be used to roll up the scan of a flattened part by specifying the diameter and axis. In this case, the part is scanned, and the data is then rolled into a form that can be compared to a model of the working part. These tools are essential in applications such as rotary dies and barrel cams, where a thorough understanding of the rolled and unrolled geometry is required. Roll and unroll work with all cloud and mesh objects, even those converted from CAD models.